Did you know confined spaces on construction sites could be deadly? Here's how to stay safe. Whether it's new construction, renovations, or routine maintenance, confined spaces demand heightened safety measures. OSHA defines these spaces as large enough for a worker but with limited entry and exit and not designed for continuous occupancy. Think of a cramped manhole or a tight tank. Now, some of these spaces require a permit. Why? Because they pose extra dangers like hazardous atmospheres or materials that can engulf you. Picture welding in a metal tank. Fumes and low oxygen levels can turn deadly fast. Common examples: manholes, utility vaults, storage tanks, crawl spaces, and trenches. These spots can have restricted airflow, flammable substances, and even pose fall risks. So, how can you stay safe? Follow OSHA's guidelines, monitor the air, ventilate, wear the right gear, and have a solid rescue plan. Training is key. Know the dangers, the emergency procedures, and your safety equipment inside out. By sticking to these protocols, you're not just following rules, you're ensuring every worker gets home safe. Remember, safety in confined spaces isn't just a requirement, it's a lifeline.